Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cabbage stew. First, begin by sautéing your aromatic vegetables, like chopped onions and minced garlic, in a large pot until they become tender and fragrant. Next, add your preferred meat, such as ground beef or sausage, and brown it thoroughly. Remember to drain any excess fat from the pot before moving on to the next step. Now it's time to add the star ingredient, the cabbage. Incorporate your chopped cabbage into the pot and let it cook down until it begins to soften and wilt. Then, pour in your liquid base, which could be vegetable or beef broth, or even a can of diced tomatoes. Stir in your favorite seasonings, like a pinch of salt, a dash of pepper, and a bay leaf to enhance the flavor. Once all your ingredients are in the pot, bring the stew to a gentle simmer. Reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and let it cook for approximately 20 to 30 minutes. This simmering time allows the flavors to meld beautifully and the cabbage to become tender. Remember to stir the stew occasionally to ensure even cooking and prevent anything from sticking to the bottom. Finally, check the tenderness of your cabbage. It should be soft but not mushy. Taste the stew and adjust any seasonings, adding more salt or pepper if desired. Don't forget to remove the bay leaf before serving. Ladle your delicious homemade cabbage stew into bowls and garnish with fresh herbs, such as chopped parsley or dill, for a vibrant finish. Enjoy your meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.